Welcome to the FISHEye Shortcomings and Wishlist video. As with any software project, FISHEye has limitations and areas for improvement. In this video, we'll be transparent about current shortcomings and discuss our vision for future enhancements. This honest evaluation helps users understand what to expect and provides a roadmap for developers who want to contribute improvements. Let's start with detection accuracy limitations. PhishEye uses heuristics and machine learning, but it cannot catch every phishing attempt. Sophisticated attackers continuously evolve their tactics, and some phishing emails may bypass detection. PhishEye should be used as a helpful tool, not the sole source of the truth. Legitimate emails may be flagged as suspicious, especially marketing emails with urgent language or generic sender names. Some phishing emails may not be detected, particularly very new attack patterns or highly sophisticated campaigns. The current machine learning model uses default weights and limited training data. Without a large, diverse dataset of labeled phishing and legitimate emails, the model's accuracy is constrained. Email provider compatibility is another limitation. PhishEye only works with web-based email clients like Gmail, Outlook.com, and Yahoo Mail. It cannot scan emails in desktop email clients such as this Outlook desktop session or Apple Mail Thunderbird, mobile email apps, or email access through other protocols like IMAP or POP3. Another limitation is email structure dependency. PhishEye relies on specific HTML selectors to find email content. If email providers change their HTML structure, PhishEye may stop working until the selectors are updated. Currently, it's optimized for Gmail's structure. Real-time website monitoring also has its own limitations. The current real-time monitoring primarily analyzes URL patterns, IP addresses, subdomains, but doesn't perform deep content analysis of websites, check SSL certificates, analyze page content for phishing indicators, and it doesn't verify against comprehensive threat databases. While the code structure supports PhishTank API integration, it may not be fully implemented or may require API keys that users need to configure separately. User experience aspects could also be improved. Users must manually click Scan Current Page for each email. There's no automatic scanning when emails are opened, which means users might forget to scan important emails. Scan results reset each time the extension pop-up is open. Users can't review previous scan results or maintain a history of analyzed emails either. Users are also limited with their customization. They have minimal control over detection sensitivity, threshold levels, or even which types of checks are performed. Settings are limited to real-time toggle alerts. Finally, with user limitations, we have maintenance considerations. Users must manually download and re-upload updates straight from our GitHub repo. There's no automatic update mechanism for unpacked extensions. While basic documentation exists, there may be gaps in developer documentation, API documentation, advanced configuration guides, and troubleshooting resources. Now let's discuss our vision for improvements, starting with detections. Improvement number one would be an advanced machine learning model. Training models on large, diverse dataset of phishing and legitimate emails, implement deep learning for better pattern recognition, add user feedback to improve accuracy over time, and support for model updates without extension updates. Full PhishTank API integration with automatic updates can also be added for expanded threat intelligence, integration with VirusTotal for URL reputation checks, domain age and registration data checking, SSL certificate validation and expiration checking, and integration with multiple threat intelligence feeds. We can also improve on behavioral analysis by analyzing email sending patterns, detecting unusual sender behavior, track email frequency and timing patterns, and identify coordinated attack campaigns. Some user experience enhancements we'd like to implement are automatically scanning emails with opened with user permission, background scanning of inbox for suspicious emails, badge notifications for high-risk emails, and inline warnings directly in email interface. We'd also like to maintain a history of scanned emails for scan history and reporting, exporting scan reports, statistics dashboards showing threat trends, and the ability to review and reanalyze past emails. Additionally, we'd like to give users customizable detection. user-adjusted sensitivity levels, toggle specific detection rules on or off, custom keyword lists, and whitelist trusted senders and domains. We'd also like to spread PhishEye integration across desktop email client support to develop native integrations for Outlook, Apple Mail, and Thunderbird, browser extension bridge for desktop clients, and API for third-party email client integrations. We'd also like to integrate our malware analysis processes to scan email attachments for malware indicators, file type validation, suspicious file name detections, and integration with antivirus services. We would also like to implement collaboration and sharing within PhishEye to report phishing emails to community databases such as VirusTotal, share threat indicators with other users, create a community verified threat list, and create anonymous threat statistics. PhishEye is a capstone project, a learning exercise, and proof of concept. While we've identified many areas for improvement, implementing all features would require significant development time, ongoing maintenance resources, community support and contributions, and potential funding for advanced features. We're transparent about limitations so users can make informed decisions. PhishEye is a valuable tool as is, but it's not a commercial grade security product. Use it as one layer of protection, not your only defense. To summarize, PhishEye has limitations in detection accuracy, compatibility, user experience, and technical capabilities. However, we have a clear vision for improvements, including enhanced detection, better UX, extended compatibility, and advanced features. We welcome contributions from the community and are committed to continuous improvement. Check the GitHub repository for the latest updates and contributions guidelines. Thank you for your understanding and for helping make PhishEye better. Together, we can build stronger protection against phishing attacks.